Are you recording?
Yeah.
Food's right here, baby. Eat it from here.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Right. No, but I want you to sit down there. If you don't sit down there, you won't get any.
Oh, that's not a treat.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
well, that is fish, huh?
Yeah. It's fish. No. She ate.
Hey, sit.
Sit down here.
Here you go. Oh, here you go. Hold the phone. Oh, you want to move it?
Yeah, I'll move her. There.
Oh.
There you go. Now, just get up a little bit right here. Don't jump up here. Just eat it. Don't jump. Right here, look.
Come on, you can do it.
I believe in you. Look right here. You see it? Look. But don't jump up here. Just eat it. Are you not gonna eat it no more?
She's like, I'm really confused on what's going on.
Eat it. It's right here. Look. Look. It's right here. You see it? Yeah.
She grabbed one?
Yeah. There you go. That's how you eat it. Yeah, there's more, baby. There's more. There's no more fish, but there's these. Look.
She's like, when I had some fish.
If you can't find it, just grab another one. Just grab another one. Just grab another one.
Oh no, she got it in her mouth.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, she can't. But I like the fish. Well, your brother ate all the fish, so. There.
There you go.
You're done.
So this cat is Manchitas. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our videos if you want to see more of our kitty cats doing crazy stuff.